Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we are going to decorate for spring and I'm just so excited. I'm ready to get it started. I haven't given you an update on the progress of the house so far, so I thought it would just make sense if we walked in and see what the house looks like now. And this is just what I chose to decorate with for every day. It's not seasonal decor. This is just how my house looks on a regular basis. Of course, when it is clean and tidy, but you'll see that the colors are all very neutral. And I chose this for many reasons, but really I just wanted to have a clean palette because I knew that I was going to want to decorate for different seasons and different festivities. So I just wanted it to look cohesive. So that's why there's a lot of grays, a lot of blacks, a lot of whites, and it's all very structured and modern looking decor that is rounded out with some natural accents and then polished off with gold. So you'll see throughout that the house is not at all finished and there are so many changes and so many things that I would like to get done to it. We don't have an area rug yet and we don't have any end tables. I want to change those dining room chairs in the back. I thought they were a good idea and I liked them at first, but now I'm just not feeling them at all. And we have to put in some decor items. So you'll see that there definitely are things missing, but you guys, I just wanted to decorate with pink. I was just ready to get the pastels in here and I was ready to get some color in here. Here's another example of what I mean. We're missing artwork on the walls, and on this wall in particular, that is across from the dining room and across from the TV, I really want to put up a gallery wall here. I want just some black frames with black and white photographs inside. Those shelves we added on top of our bar cart and I need to finish that project. As you'll see, there still is not a backsplash. Cam, if you're watching this video, I really want my backsplash, but it's still not there and we still have many projects to go, but slowly but surely it is all gonna come together, I'm sure of it. We're gonna get started with our tablescape and I'm starting with these 4 hyacinth mats that I got at Hobby Lobby. Get them when they're on sale. You do not have to pay full price for them. And I already had these plates from the Dollar Tree. Yes, these are Dollar Tree ceramic plates that came out last year with this lemon print and I had them. So you can tell that this decor is not going to be expensive at all. You do not need to break the bank, but what I will recommend is having one print and then using that print throughout to create a cohesive look, which is why I chose a bowl that was see-through, again from the Dollar Tree. And this set of napkins is what's really going to tie everything together. It has the same exact print from the plates with the pink background, and that pink background is what became the accent color for the other decor that I'm going to show you. And here you'll see it's $2.99. So this piece is really what's going to bring everything together. That pink from the background of the napkins was brought over into the other pieces of decor. So this glass was $2.99 and it is such good quality. If you are ever in Home Goods, go ahead and pick these up. They are such a good deal. These also were napkins, cloth napkins that I found at the Dollar Tree, and you'll see that I'm bringing in some texture here with that fraying at the end of the napkins. So let's get started with actually putting down our plate settings. And I'm just going to go ahead through all the tables. As you can see, I was so excited to get started on this that I did this in my pajamas. So I am not kidding when I tell you guys I was ready to go. I just wanted to see it put all together and I wanted to bring spring into the house. This has just been like very crazy times. And I think that anything you can do to really make your space, make your ambiance, make your mental health better during these times is what you should be doing right now. So I just like going downstairs and looking at this. Again, it had pink. It was my favorite color. So it just makes me happy to look at it every time that I walk past my dining room table now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set down our water glasses. Again, you guys, these are such a good find. I was so impressed with the quality and just how heavy they are. They are made of glass, so if you have little ones, just be careful when these are set out on the table, because if they fall, they will shatter. Now, these cloth napkins, I think I mentioned that they were from Dollar Tree. They are not. They are from Home Goods, and they were on clearance. So I don't know if they still have them. I had to really dig into the clearance shelf. They were hidden behind a whole bunch of other stuff. So just take a look throughout your Home Goods. I'm sure that you can find similar pink cloth napkins, and even if you can't find them at Home Goods, I have seen them at Hobby Lobby, similar ones, and really you can find pink cloth napkins really anywhere. Now I'm going to bring in the centerpiece vase that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I specifically chose this vase because it echoes decor items that are already within my house. So again, it's creating that cohesive feel even with seasonal decor. So these vases have straight lines that are sort of geometric, and you'll see in a little bit that those lines are echoed throughout my house in the pillows on the couch and on the black console table that is behind our couch. Here I'm just putting in some pink bouquet of roses that I got again from Hobby Lobby, and these are so gorgeous, you guys. I really have seen the selection at Dollar Tree and I'm just never impressed. They always look very cheap and kitschy. So if you need any faux floral arrangements, or you're making a faux floral arrangement, just wait until Hobby Lobby or Michael's have their sales. They always have a sale, they always have coupons. Just make the investment because you'll be keeping these forever. They won't go bad. So as long as you love them from the beginning, I'm sure that you will love them throughout their lifespan. And here we have our final tablescape. You'll see right away that one thing I'm missing are the utensils. I went to various stores and I could not find a gold utensil set that was reasonably priced. As soon as I find some, I will be adding them here, but just know that I don't have them right now because I couldn't find any that were reasonably priced. But here is what we have so far, and it looks gorgeous. I think it looks gorgeous. Again, that vase is everything. It's giving me life. I love it. So it's beautiful and it is very affordable. One other item that I'm going to look into adding to this tablescape are pink charger plates to go underneath the plate setting, and just to again bring in more of that pink color. I still love how it looks now. It's not something that I'm absolutely going to run out and get, but if I happen to see them, I will also be adding some pink charger plates here as well. So here's an angle that shows what I meant by bringing in pieces, seasonal pieces that match with your existing decor. You can kind of see that the lines are echoed from the vase onto that black console table that is behind the couch. We're going to start on the living room, and I just wanted to bring in spring and florals in a way that was more neutral into this space. So I've added this white faux floral arrangement. Again, this was from Home Goods and it was $15.99. I've also brought in these marble pieces that will match with the neutral decor tones but still bring in spring flair. So here's an egg that's marble and it looks gorgeous, and I also have a bunny that is marble on wood. So you can see that the white marble really goes with this table. This table is from Target and it is not black. I painted this black with just some acrylic paint that I bought from Home Depot, but I painted it black to match my decor because I loved the drawers. Again, here's just another shot of that little bunny bringing in spring, and the egg that's bringing in spring while still keeping the tones and textures of the existing decor. So making sure everything is just blended and seamless. So like I mentioned before, these shelves that are on top of our bar cart are a project that we are in the process of finishing. I still need a third and final shelf up there, but I saw this as an opportunity to include even more spring flair. So I've added these grass bunnies that are from Hobby Lobby, and I specifically chose to put these up here and out of the way because you guys, they shed and they shed a lot. Speaking of bunnies, another way that you can very affordably include seasonal decor is through your kitchen towels. Here I have some bunnies that have that yellow and pink, and again it's being echoed here with this hand soap that has lemons and pink flowers. So as you can see, I just found a theme that worked with what I already had, and I am just running with it. So now I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of what the first floor looks like now that we have finished incorporating our spring decor. As you can see right now, as soon as you walk in, you see that beautiful arrangement and it's just calling to you. I mean, look at that table over there with the pink flowers. It's just very spring, very floral, very welcoming. And here we have our egg that is on top of this faux fireplace. And something I forgot to mention is that those knobs do not come with that fireplace. I replaced those knobs and they are marble and gold, just like the egg is. And the knobs are also from Hobby Lobby. So just make sure that you're checking out Hobby Lobby for its full potential. It is honestly one of my absolute favorite stores. There's Louis, who's always in my shots when I'm recording. He loves to be in front of the camera. I don't know why, but there is another look at what spring is. Here is the bunny on the black console table and just another shot of the dining room tablescape. It just looks so beautiful. Even just looking at it right now through the recording, it makes me so happy. And we have our bunnies that are saying hi from the stove back there and up in the shelf as well. And here's a look from inside the kitchen. Our grass bunnies are saying hello from the shelf, and our bunnies from our kitchen towels are saying hello from the stove. And you'll see that these are very practical ways of getting your seasonal decor fix. I still need my house to function appropriately. I still need to be able to cook and clean and move around and not really have things be in my way. And to tie everything together, I had to have a candle. So I found this lemon verbena candle at Marshall's, and it just ties everything together. It smells amazing. It smells very fresh. And that's how I'm going to decorate my house for spring. Of course, things may move around and I may absolutely add more items, but thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me today. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe below and you hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps me out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time. Bye.